Came across a cool little article on Tacoma World. Can't remember who originally posted it. Sorry, I'll look and tag it, or I'll link the original post down below. We all have these big water bottles that we drink out of that don't fit in any of the cup holders. The solution is a climber's chalk bag, real easily. And then you can even adjust the tension on them to where they don't slide in and out. They have a couple loops back here, hold them tight, and they fit real nicely here beside the console. You need your chalk bag. I got mine on Amazon. Need an old bolt. I decided to get a piece of aluminum rod because I'm probably gonna end up doing multiples of these. You need a trim pry tool, a tape measure, and a Sharpie. If you're just gonna use a bolt, just find a bolt that's long enough. Pry tool, down here, find the gap, pry up. Keep prying up until 2 of the pins up where you can actually see what's going on down here. Take your chalk bag and you can see right here there's a cross brace. The first loop is going to line up with that cross brace. Figure out that distance. It is approximately 3 inches. So we're going to cut a piece of this rod at 3.5 inches. Take your rod, slide it through the loops in the bag, tuck it behind the lip, make sure that it goes down on the one side. You're going to see where these loops cross over here, and this piece of your console actually laps over this side. So you're going to take this little lip right here, and you're just going to take an X-Acto and just notch it the width of the loops in both spots to where this piece still sits down flat on it. There you go, finished product. Throw your water bottle in, easily accessible. Show you what it looks like from the driver's side. Here's what it looks like from the driver's side. Out of the way, still got a little bit of movement to it. Quick 5-minute installation for you. Cost me $15. Oh, there's another company that makes an oversized cup holder that you can actually replace the front ones with. I'll go ahead and link that one too. I'll tear your whole console apart. This one, real quick, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Have a good one.